got a double. That's a good fish, huh? Just keep steady pressure. You want to sweep him left if you can. He wants to go right, you want him to go left. That's a heck of a fish. I don't know. Tell me. Oh my God, that is huge. It's a smallmouth. Nice one. Good shot. Hooked up. Nice job. Got another one on. We might not be able to land. Expert angler on the end of the rod. You're going to steer him left, and he's going to try to cut you off on rocks and everything. Oh my God. That is a huge smallmouth. One of the biggest I've ever seen. Man, you're the man. Just stay with him. No, let's go back here. You're going to have to come with him.
Follow you?
Yep, let's go this way. And you're going to try to keep him off the rocks now. Yeah, let's go. Yep, we'll try to get him shallow over here. Nice good one. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Steer him left if you can. Take him left, take him left, take him left. Bring him over here. Left. Get his head up if you can at some point. Unbelievable. Nice job. There you go. He's hefty, so I got the net. All right, you get the fish. Bring down hooking. That's good. But you're going to keep a cool, good grip on him. And you might set your rod down. Let's get that fly out of his mouth. Oh, you grab it there? Yeah, kind of push it backwards a little bit. Devil's River smallmouth. Will York, expert angler. Dad is a witness. Let's let him go.